Hi, the section, the 1.g. So this section covers just a few more examples in the last few sections, especially the force of interest. Okay, so the example 1. So suppose that the delta t is equal to 0.01 plus 0.02 t. So this is a kind of typical case for interest increase. So at time 0, the interest rate is 1%, and the interest rate increases by 2% per year. Yeah. So interest rate, the Federal Reserve determines the short-term interest rate in the United States, and usually it meets the 8 times a year. So each time the interest rate hike is usually 0.25%. So the 2% per year is a kind of the most tight the policy to increase the interest rate. In some extreme case, they hike the interest rate more than 0.25% a time, but this is a typical case for the rapid interest rate increase. Okay, so if $200 is deposited at time 1 and $100 is deposited at time 2, so we have the 2 deposits, $300 worth, roughly speaking. What is the balance at t is equal to 4? Okay, so at first think about the $200 deposit. And this, okay, so this at time 1. So this becomes, or will become, the $200 times A of 4 divided by A of 1 at t is equal to 4. So A of t is accumulation function. So from 1 to 4, that we have to multiply the A4 over A1. So in the same way, $100 at time point t is equal to 2 becomes 100 times A4 divided by A2 at time 4. So basically the summation of these two amounts is the balance at t is equal to 4. So accumulated value is equal to the $200 times A4 A1 plus the 100 times A2 over A1. Yeah, so this is equal to 200 times, by applying formula, the exponential of integral, the 1 to 4 delta r dr plus 100 times integral, sorry, this is 2 to 4 A4 over A2. So 2 to 4, the delta r dr, and the delta r is here. Okay, so how to do that? So this is equal to, okay, so maybe we have the two integral with the same integrand, so that we can calculate this integrand first. So f of t, suppose the capital F of t is equal to the delta, so this is defined by the 0 to t, the delta r dr. So this is equal to 0 to t, 0.01 plus 0.02 r dr. So this becomes 0.01 t plus 0.01 t squared. Okay. So now that we can use this to calculate these two integrals. So maybe we can put this in parentheses. Okay, so now that we continue from this line, and this becomes 200 times basically the f of 4 minus f of 1, I mean exponential of f of 4 minus f of 1, and plus 100 times exponential f of 4 minus f of 2. And you can plug in numbers. The f of 4 is equal to, you can see the 0.01 times 4 minus plus the 0.01 times the 4 square. So this becomes actually the 16, so 0.016. Yeah, so 0.04 plus 0.016, 0.16. So this becomes 0.2. So 200 times exponential of 0.2. How about 1? If you plug in 1, this becomes 0.02. So negative 0.02 plus 100 times exponential of, again, 0.2. Then plug in 2 here. Plug in 2 here, then 0.02 and plus 0.04. So that means 0.06. So 0.06. So this becomes 200 times exponential of 0.18 plus 100 times exponential of 0.14. So by using calculator, this becomes 354.47 $. So this is the answer. Yeah, so the interest rate is 1% in the beginning and the increase 2%. So the at t is equal to 4, t is equal to 0, this is 1%, and t is equal to 4, maybe 0 does not matter because it starts with 1. So t is equal to 1, this is 3%, and t is equal to 4, 9%. So the on average, maybe the 6% or something. So 6% interest, and originally we have the 100 and the 200, so $300, and the amount is in the account either for 3 years or 2 years. So maybe I would say maybe 2 years, almost 3 years interest and 6%, so 18%. 18% times the $300 is, you know, the $54 or something. So you can see approximately we can get $54 of interest. Okay, so this is the first example.